Hi Elizabeth, it's me Angel again. So we want to share with you some other examples about what we are working. So first, I want to tell you that those three books are from a different day from a different year. For example, this one is from 2013, and you can find that as the first time we need to get in admin access, we already log in, and you can see this all is in Firefox. We got the 13 files, and when we try to make a download, the program tells us that it has a fail. If we go to another book from another year, for example, this is from 2019. We got only 11 files. We want to know why is that, because here we got 13. Again, we have to get in admin access when we are already logged in. And then if we try to download it, we're going to find again that it is with problems. But when we try to download some items from the year 2000, 2010, 2009, and there are some books that it can be able to download. So first, we want to know why some books are able to download it and some other books now don't. For example, this item, it is downloading right now, and we have here that 2 hours from waiting, because there is a book from 400 pages, I think. So, but basically, this is a book from 2009. We already have the backup of this. With the new books, for example, since 2011 to 2000, from for 2019, we got these problems that archive don't let us to download the items. So this is the another video for being as much clear as we can. So we hope your answer, because we want to make our backup about all the files that we are upload. So thanks for your time again, and we are in contact.